I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Power off the PS5 fully using the power menu or the front button. Wait until all lights turn off and the console is completely silent. Press and hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. That second beep confirms safe mode is starting. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable to the console. Press the PS button on the controller to authenticate and access the Safe Mode menu. The Safe Mode menu displays several numbered options for recovery and maintenance. Choose Restart PS5 to exit Safe Mode and boot your system normally. Choose Update System Software to install the latest firmware via USB or Internet. Select Restore Default Settings to reset system settings without deleting games or user data. Use Clear Cache and Rebuild Database for deeper storage maintenance when facing corrupted data or slow performance. Read each menu option carefully before confirming any action. Back up any important game saves to cloud storage or USB storage before proceeding. Select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu to scan and reorganize the console storage. This process can resolve corruption issues and improve game load performance. Rebuild time varies by drive size and fragmentation. Expect between 10 minutes and several hours. Do not power off the PS5 during the rebuild process. After completion, restart the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.